And right now we're here with the famous and infamous judging tribunal. But first of all, let's start with you, Anthony. How were the Kingston auditions?
It's been a long day and we're still not done. So, after a while you get a little jaded because it's one voice after another, but there's some good people. Maybe not quite the standout Ocherius kind of thing, but Kingston always is going to deliver. And I think there's some unusual, interesting people. Let me just preempt your next question. I think it's going to be a smashing season.
Okay, I like that response. So would you agree, Elaine?
I would, absolutely. Who would have thought that Ochi turned out the most the obvious stars, but today was long, as Anthony said, and definitely some unusual characters as usual. Kingston always has that to offer. So long day, but good day, and you never know, the winner might have been picked today. Who knows?
Conrad, you unfortunately missed Mandeville. Do you think that Kingston made up for that today?
Well, based on what I heard about Mandeville, definitely I think Kingston made up for it. We find that there's some, as I said, some unusual talent. Some standouts, and so it will make the season this year exciting because there's some different elements coming together, not just the traditional that we're used to seeing at Rising Stars.
That's going on. Lots of talent turned out at all 3 audition locations, and after this break we're going to see the top 14 finalists that made it to the live show. Stick around, Digicel Rising Stars, we're so powerful. Welcome back to Digicel Rising Stars. Here are your Sweet 16 season top 14.
But when I knew I had to face another day, Lord, it makes me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, life was so unkind, but you're the key to my peace of mind. And you make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman.
And there goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now, and I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. No, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. And there's a way everybody's saying through each and every little thing. But what good does it bring? And if I ain't got you, if I ain't got you, baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, the way I love you.
How could you love me and leave me and never said goodbye? When I can't sleep a night without holding you tight. Each time I try, I just break down and cry. Pain in my head, oh, I'd rather be dead. Spinning around, dead around. See, although we've come to the end of the road, still I can't let go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, I belong to you.
Stolen moments is all that we share. You've got your family and they need you there. Though I try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. Well, I had no idea of the state we were in, and I know I have a fickle heart and a bitterness and a wandering eye and heaviness in my head. But don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you left me before? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this life in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old. It made us restless. You look like a movie. Meet you downstairs in the bar and her your rolled up sleeves and your skull t-shirt. You say, why did you do it with him today? And sniffed me out like I was Tanqueray. 'Cause you're my fella, my guy, and me your Stella and fly. By the time I'm out the door, you tear me down like Roger Moore. Ever felt like you were dreaming just to find that you're awake, and the magic that surrounds you can lift you up and guide you on your way? I can see it in the stars across the skies. I've dreamt 100,000 dreams before, now I finally realize. You see, I've waited all my life for this moment to arrive, and finally
I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, I feel good, I feel good, 'cause your perfume isn't loud, that only I can talk about. Feel good, I feel like velvet rubbing over my skin, yeah.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away, shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You don't gotta tell me about your body count. I ain't gotta know your ex's names. 'Cause if it just so happens that you turn around and ask me, I think you might feel some type of way. I did on the daily, yeah. I know it's funny, but it's true. And I'm by my Mercedes, all by myself, want the papers to prove. We don't need no one trying to take our freedom. Time won't let you stay young, so we don't care what they say we gon' love.
No, I know anyone can relate to when they find a special someone. She's royal, yes, so royal, and I want her in my life. I never know anyone so one of a kind. No, no, the way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities of a queen.
It's sad to think we're not gonna make it, and it's gotten to the point where we just can't fake it. Ooh. For some ungodly reason, we just won't let it die. I guess neither one of us wants to be the first to say goodbye.
The first 7 contestants hit the big stage. It's gonna be a huge season this year, so expect nothing but the best. I'm gonna be in the chill room, Terry's gonna be in her usual spot, unless we decide to switch it up a little bit one week. Next week we're live. See you then.